Step 1. Install the outer frame floor track. Insert the stainless steel corner brackets into it and secure with screws. Step 2. Fit the top guide track. Slide in the stainless corner brackets and screw them down. Step 3. Connect the vertical outer frames by inserting them into the stainless steel corner brackets. Step 4. Fit the shorter of the two bottom tracks by sliding it into the guide channel. Step 5. Screw down the brackets where the vertical frames meet the bottom track. Step 6. Secure the outer frame to the upper guide track with screws. Step 7. Align the load less than greater than bearing bottom rollers and the upper guide rollers to the correct direction. Step 8. Fold the door leaves together and place the bottom rollers into the outer bottom track. Step 9. Tilt all the door leaves. Insert the upper guide rollers into the upper track and push the entire assembly into the inner bottom track. Step 10. Install the long inner track by fitting it into the outer bottom track. Step 11. Secure the hinges by tightening the screws. Step 12. Install the ceiling strips weather stripping. Step 13. Install the glass panels and apply silicone sealant around the edges after glazing for waterproofing.